Ash Wednesday. Let us consider today what is meant by Lent, the days of fasting, and Ash Wednesday. Lent, the days of fasting, is a time of moderation, self-denial, and fasting. It is traditionally celebrated by Catholic churches and some Protestant churches. It begins on Ash Wednesday and ends on Easter Sunday. In the 4th century AD, the duration of fasting days was fixed at 46 days, 40 days, not counting Sundays. During the fasting days, the fasting person fasts and gives up their bad habits. It is a 6-week period of self-restraint or austerity. Lent was practiced in the Catholic Church to highlight the importance and necessity of repentance. The simplicity of Lent is typified by the people of the Old Testament who fasted and repented by sitting in sackcloth and ashes and dust. Ash Wednesday is the first day of Lent. He is officially called the Ash Buddha because he makes the sign of the cross with ashes on his forehead. Since this Eid comes exactly 40 days before the resurrection of Christ, not including Sunday, it always falls on Wednesday. There is never an Ash Thursday or Ash Monday. Nowhere in the Holy Bible is there any mention of Ash Wednesday or Lent. Although the Bible does not mention the Ash Wednesday, it certainly mentions people who symbolically used ashes and dust to express repentance or sorrow. With the passage of time or centuries, the rite of Lent has acquired the status of a sacrament. Many Catholics believe that if they give up something during Lent, they can receive God's blessing. But the Holy Bible teaches us that God's grace cannot be bought. Grace is actually the gift of righteousness, as written in Romans chapter 5 verse 17. Lent should not be a time in which one brags about one's sacrifice or tries to gain God's favor or demand an increase in His love. God's love for us could not be greater than He does for us now. So the question arises, should a Christian participate in the rites of Lent? Should a Christian fast during Lent? Since it is neither specifically emphasized nor opposed in the Holy Bible, Christians are free to make a prayerful personal decision about fasting in Lent.